Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol has emphasized that the BJP-led government has come under increasing pressure following the growing concerns raised by MPs from various states regarding the ongoing situation in Manipur. Speaking at a press meet held at his residence located at Kashampat yesterday, Dr. Bimol Akoijam stated that he has consistently raised voice for the issues occurring in Manipur, particularly the crimes committed against women and children both inside and outside Parliament. He further revealed that he is seeking a meeting with the Union Defence Minister to address key questions which he was unable to raise in the parliamentary sessions.
Irang sigi kona na khai gise 209.45 crore khai gare hai reba. Sigi manung da agriculture ki khai risi 38.60 crore khai hai. Adu manung da sanction tawraga paisa amung lok thokhi bana 31.67 crores paisa je low reba ko sarkar kai thok reba sanction taw da. Sik press na da hangmam chatle ba koi low Well, everything the kaya pang of Jan Moida. Pangi Mosina Kamain Pagino, guys. See, I koi Miami who do in a Hangzero request no official in a come minister. Request like Ra Assam the gate, Tripura the gate. My day, ladies and Manipurga, I said home in a local panel. Schedule tribe time because my neck and lock for your brado. Mana Nataidaga lack the Hibaga Samanera Woody. The state government proposed Tarakanda to Wadavania do Tawdoni and the Kome city. And the Moina to Wadavanate, Ado Huzik Powder Dugi proposed lack the and Kome. So state again proposed lack the highly at the Magosa. Quite close to see coming to state government is proposes that Tavam Chang, but central government is also remind the Wam Chang Madugin, no question though. Is I the state na character and I live with the other. So public the Sumasin form to Wam Chang.